Welcome back to another video on the channel. In today's video, we're going to be fishing at a lake in the winter time or slash kind of fall. It was cold though, it was pretty cold, but I caught so many fish that I caught about 75% of the catch. I probably caught upwards of 30, 40 fish maybe on the stinking Alabama rig and blade bait. And I caught some giants too, man. It's going to be a good one. This morning I was seeing some shad in some different areas. So, looks like the bass school. There we go. First one on the A-rig. On a big guy. Oh, okay. He's actually not that bad. He's actually not that bad. He's actually pretty good. He is actually not that bad at all. Come here, boy. Dang, the water is that's not a bad one. That is not a bad one. We're gonna see what our best spot is today. Not a bad one. Ate that big swim bait. Not a bad guy. Not as big as I hoped he was. He's probably 4 pounds. Not a bad fish to start the day off. We're gonna weigh our top 5 today. See if we can get 20 pounds. That's our goal today. That is our goal today. Got 3-pounder. 3.61. Pretty good fish. See you, bro. Okay. Oh, there's something they're schooled up again. Oh, yeah, there we go. Got one. Got a boy. Oh, it's a good one. Oh my gosh, it's a good one. Oh my gosh, it's a good one. Holy smokes, son. It's actually not a bad boy. Oh gosh, oh gosh, oh gosh. Don't jump, don't jump. Yeah, I gotta get my hands wet for this one. Come on, son. Oh gosh, like a 6, bro. Oh my gosh, he's giant on the sonar. Oh. Don't get off. Oh my gosh. Holy cow. Holy water heifer. Goodness gracious. Barely hooked him, dude. It's like a 5 geese, man. Son, we are catching good fish. And all them folks that are staying inside are missing it. That's like a 5 right there. My net's floating away, but that's okay. I'll hide the fish, so I don't want people to see it. Let's see, I think it's a 5. Oh, dang, it's a 6. No, it's a... Come on, be a 6. Dang it. 5.96. I want a rescale. I'll be a 6. Come on. Bro, it needs 2 more ounces and it's a 6. We already have about 9.5 pounds, dude. Bang, boys. Almost a 6-pounder. Let's let him go. Let him go. Let him grow. Not really. Gotta get my net back here. Oh, I have bit. I got bit. Oh, yeah, there we go, son. There we go, son. Good one. I'm talking good one. He's running at me. Oh, yeah, it's another stud. This is a waterproof. Oh, my gosh. Oh, my gosh. Oh, my gosh. It's not even that big. It's not even that big. Oh, my gosh. Whew. Got another 60-pounder. Boom. Bada bang. Bada boom. Dang, it's a heavy guy. Get him in the boat, sonny. Get him in the boat. Ain't no gills are red, son. Okay. Looks like it's hooked pretty good. Give me this thing. We got that. Boom, son. Gracious. I didn't breathe. Okay. Come here, little son. Man, my hands is 4. We catch one more 4. We already got 20 pounds, son. Good one, son. Let go of my glove, Josh. Dang. Gracious, right at the boat, dude. That's actually not a bad one, dude. That's not a bad one. Right at the boat. Stay. Oh my gosh, that's not a bad one. Back her up. Right at the boat. Right at the stinking boat. Bing bop, boom bop, bing bop, bam. Brother, look at the size of this boy. Dang, son. Bro, look, someone's bigger in the water. This boy is definitely gonna make it to 20. We're gonna get 20 pounds right here, son. 5 pounder? 521. Add 21 pounds and point to 94. 21.94. 5 pounder. Again. Bruh, another one. Let her go. See ya, bruh. Don't do anything dumb. Don't die. Okay, let's see. A-rig strikes again. I hit right there. Bang, son. Oh, dang. That's a good one right there. It didn't hit very hard, but we got him. Gracious, son. How have I not hurt me? Absolutely slapping him out here, son. It's a good one right in the net. Right in the net. Alright, let's weigh this boy down. This stinking football of a bass right here. Another 5. And I have a stinking bag of 5 pounders, son. 24 pounds so far. Stinking good one. Just called that 2 pounds that I caught earlier. But I ain't seeing any shad or birds or anything from there to there. And there's a fish. Okay, it's not a bad one. Okay, it's definitely not a... Okay, it's not a bad one. It ain't a bad one. Alright, we going after it. Ain't a bad one. It ain't a bad one. Let me tell you something, son. Come on, boy, get in here. Oh God. Oh. It's definitely not a bad one. Back it up, gracious. I'm not going. God. Holy cow. I don't know why I'm being so calm. I may have just got like a giant. Jeez. Let's stinking. What the heck? What the heck? He got the blade. Look at this. He got that thing down there. What is on the side of his face? What the? Y'all, look at the side of this kid's face. What is that? What is that? What is that? Son, if this boy was chunky, he probably may be my BB. I mean, he got that blade bait down the gullet. He wasn't coming off. Thank you, Jesus. I mean, what is that? They're definitely pushing us to the next level of fish. His mouth is barely big enough to fit on my dang scale. What do we think? Gosh, stand up for this one. He's a 7. 7.5? 746. 7-pounder on the blade. On the stinking blade bait. Alright, let's let it go. Got good pictures of this man. 7-pounder on the blade. I don't even know why I'm like so not excited, but I mean, like, I should be. I'm a little tired. But when you catch fish like this, what the heck is on the side of his face? I have no idea, but cool, I guess. See ya, brother, from another mother. Go on, become a 10-pounder. Become a 10-pounder, son. You good, my brother? Oh, he's out of here. Thinking 70-pounder, nothing like. With that, we get 28 pounds. Got one, but I don't know if it's big or not. I don't see it breach right here. Oh, okay. Okay. It's not giant, but it's a good one. Okay, maybe it's a giant. Okay. Okay, play smart. Play smart. Please, please, please. Please, please, please stay on there. Oh gosh, oh gosh, oh gosh. Bird back, blast back, blast back, blast. Live it, I'm living, I'm living, I'm living. We're gonna kill you, make you stronger, son. Get in that right, get in that right. Freaking get in that right, dude. Good down. Not PB size. Not a PB. But this is really a good one to end the day off. Thanks for watching the whole thing. If you did, well then, yeah. Peace out. Catch a big one. Peace.